What does CCA mean on a car battery? Imagine waking up on a freezing winter morning, trying to start your car, but it just won't turn over. That can be frustrating, especially if you're new to driving. Today, we're going to uncover what CCA means on a car battery and why it matters for teen drivers and car owners alike. CCA stands for cold cranking amps. It is a number that shows how much electrical power a car battery can give to start your engine in very cold weather. Specifically, it measures how many amps a 12-volt battery can deliver continuously for 30 seconds at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, while still keeping a voltage above 7.2 volts. This is important because cold weather makes it harder for your engine to start. The oil thickens, and the chemical reactions inside the battery slow down. If you are a teen learning to take care of your car, understanding CCA helps you pick the right battery. A battery with too low CCA might struggle to start your car on cold mornings, leading to frustration or needing a jump start. A higher CCA means your battery can deliver more power in those chilly conditions, making your mornings smoother. Most small cars need a battery with about 500 to 600 CCA. Larger vehicles like trucks usually need 700 or more. If you live in a very cold place, getting a battery with a higher CCA is a smart move. It ensures your car starts easily even when temperatures drop below freezing. As your battery ages, its ability to produce CCA decreases. This means it might not start your car as well in cold weather. If your car is slow to start or needs multiple tries, it could be time to replace the battery. When shopping for a new battery, always check the CCA rating. Match it to your car's requirements and your climate. If your car struggles to start in cold weather, consider a battery with a higher CCA. Knowing this number can also help you understand why sometimes you need to jumpstart your car. It might be because your battery's CCA is too low or it is simply worn out. In the end, CCA is a key number that tells you how strong your car battery is at starting your engine in tough, cold conditions. For teen drivers and new car owners, paying attention to this can make your driving experience more reliable and less stressful. It's a simple way to keep your car running smoothly, especially when the weather gets chilly.